Morning children, you have worked with various modules in your previous class. Now in this section we will discuss one of the important modules in Python program, that is random module. The main purpose of random module is to generate random numbers. Python defines a set of functions that are used to generate or manipulate random numbers. These particular type of functions are used in lot of games, lotteries or any application requiring random number generation. To use random number generation in your Python program, you first need to import module random using any import command, that is import random. Some most common random number generator functions in random module are randomof, randrange, start, stop, step, randrange of stop, randint of AB, uniform of AB. First one, randomof. This function returns a floating point number between 0 and 1. Suppose it first time execute, it displays one number. Suppose second time execute, it displays some other number. Sometimes may be the same. That is 0, between 0 and 1. It displays the number randomly. Its syntax is random.randomof. For example, randomof. First time this function generates 0.02 and second time it generates 0.03. Two outputs are different. Next, randrange of. This method returns a randomly selected element from specified range. Its syntax is random.randrange of start, stop, step. What is its meaning? From which position we have to start from where it ends, and each time it count, that is step count. Here stop is up to stop minus 1, that is within the given range start to stop minus 1. If you are specifying stop, that is consider up to stop minus 1. For example, random.randrange of 1, 10. Here I am not mentioning any step code. Here I am not mentioning any step code. Here 1 is the starting point and 10 is the ending point. That is, it displays the random number from 1 to 9 only. If you are not mentioning any step count, by default it is considered step as 1. At this different execution, it displays different output. Its possible outputs are 1, 2, 3 up to 9 only. Next, if I am mentioning some step count, random.randrange of 1, 10, 2. For example, my step count is 2. What are its different outputs? The possible outputs are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 only. Here its output is 5. Next, I am mentioning only one index, that is 10. Random.randrange of 10. By default, its starting index is 0. That is, its possible outputs are 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 9. Next, randint of. This method returns an integer from the specified range. Its syntax is random.randint of start, stop. This method returns an integer number to the specified range from start to stop. Its stop is included, but remember in the range function it is from start to stop minus 1. For example, random dot randint of 1, 10. What is its possible outputs? 1, 2, 3 up to 10. It displays all the integer numbers from 1 to 10. Random dot randint of 1, 10 displays 8 and random dot randint, 1.10 displays 10. Two outputs are different. Next, uniform. This method returns a floating point number between the two specified numbers. Syntax random dot uniform of start, stop. It returns a random floating number between the two specified numbers. We have already learned random function. Random function returns the floating point number between 0 and 1. But in this method, return floating point between the specified numbers. Both start and stop values are included. For example, random dot uniform of 1, 10 displays 1.9 and random dot randint of 1, 10 displays 2.8. Two outputs are different. These are some of the important methods that are present in the random module. Thank you.